Yukon strikes again, everybody. Look at that. Woo, yeah. Look at that river. Caught him right in there. About the 5th cast or so. All right, I hope everybody's having a good one. No, I'm not eating him. I'm throwing him back. Everybody have a good day. Yukon over now. And then we'll have some coffee. Listen. There's an eagle right down there. Well, now he decides to shut up. Damn it. I'm almost out of SD card. Shit. You tell me, everybody. Look at that water. Look at that. All right. Yukon snagged another one. Get him, Con. He's a big one. He's not fighting me, though. There he goes. Get it, Con, get it. Not quite as big as the last one. Go up under that rock. That's what he's trying to do. Oh. Actually, he's bigger than the last one. Oh, definitely. That's 2 good eating fishes right there. You're hooked pretty good. Now stop it. Stop it, I said. Anyway, I'll get him off and catch another one. There he is, everybody. Look at that. That's a nice fish. We'll let him go, though. Boop. There it goes. Take him a minute. See him under there? There he went. First cast on the rooster tail. Literally, first cast. Working him in. Work him in there, Yukon. Working him in. He's bigger than he looks. Oh, I lost him. Dang it. Dang it. Crap. Well, crap. Well, let's try. Second cast, everybody. It's a monster. It's a monster. Look at him. Oh. All right, that's 3. And he gets off on the rock, saved by the rock. They're tearing this rooster tail up, everybody. Tearing it up, I said. That baby spinning. Need to spin, though. Tearing it up, everybody. Tearing it up. Uh-oh. I had a hit, but he missed it. Some of them are grabbing it right up here near the shore, too. All right, one more downstream. Look at that. That's a lot of good sound. You know, I don't know if that was a fish or a rock, to be honest. That was a fish. He just barely missed it. All right, I feel one if I catch one. Hey, check that out, everybody. That's a tree house. I mean, for real. It's like the trees are what's holding that thing up. I noticed a trail going up that little spur. That's what drew my eye to it. That's badass. This is a badass place here. The Kennabec's right there. They've widened this rail bed since I've done it. It's a lot bigger. It's better. You can see where they've had a road grader or something with a plow. Awesome. Anyway, I hope everybody's having a good day. It's Yukon. Well, actually, right now I'm heading south. Then I'll be turning back to the north and the west. That's an eagle. That's a bald eagle. I don't see him, but I heard him. They're everywhere around this area. Well, I'll say everywhere, but their numbers are pretty healthy. Anyway, hope everybody's having a good one. It's Yukon over and out. Right here's the one I remember, everybody. They had flags out here then. There's a little dock thing down here. I don't see any signs saying not to stay. but I can't, you know, chill for a second here. Yeah, there was a little, hell, it's still there. Just a little rail to help you get down to the Pebble Beach. Rock on 2023. Yep, this right here. This was here. Huh. Oh wow, look at all the fire red. That's what that is, that flower. Get the camera and take a picture or two. There's a four-wheeler just went by. He dusted the trail pretty good, so take a minute anyway. It's slow go. Slow going on that gravel. It's real sandy. Wow. Wow, yeah. There's Canadian geese, and flowers. Multiple types, actually. This is like the back of a lake. There's a dam down here, a small one. Oh, wow. Feels great too. It's still nice and cool. Hope everybody's having a great day. Look at that. Whoever owns this is like, this is sweet. I mean, literally, look at all the flowers and stuff. Shade, trees, water, wildlife, got it all. Hope everybody's having a good one. This Yukon over and out. Check it out, everybody. I didn't come through here before, and I'm not. I'm just gonna come out here and look around. Canoe portage to the left and to the right, because I want to go into the towns on the left here on this side. Just want to check this out for a minute. I feel water spray. Yeah, I can feel the spray off the water. Wow. Holy cow. There's a waterfall there. Wow. Wow. Hey, it's kind of windy, but this would be a good place to fly, everybody. Wow, what a waterfall. That's a natural fall. Wow, that's where I felt that spray. Wow. The awesomeness of it. Wow. So I guess that's one, they've been using that for a while. It's got grass growing on them and stuff. I go the other side and turn around. I think I'll fly. That's it'd be better to get it later in the day. Yeah, I'm gonna see what's on the other side. I'll make more video when I get over there. How's it going, everybody? It's Yukon here. See that building across the street? What freaking timing I always have. Anyway, I'm pretty sure I got pictures of it when it was original. It's been redone, and it's nice. So, anyways. Every time. Anyway, everybody have a good day. Yukon over that. In the Kennabec, everybody. I don't think I'll be crossing it again. I'm not 100% sure on that, but at least not on this tour. Not that I know of. It'll be to my left. I've been up this side too. Back in the day. Real quick, everybody, as I'm low on data. Cragen Hill, that's the Cragen Hill Cemetery back there. That place was neat, very historical. There's an old schoolhouse over here, and in front of me lies the Kennabec Valley, baby. Hell yeah! It's Yukon over now. All right, everybody, here at the Dollar General store in Kingsfield, Maine. Charging up a little bit, fixing to go find a place to spend the night. Hope everybody's having a good one. It's Yukon over and out. everybody, got me a new SD card. This is like the old, I don't know, Kennabec Road or old 27th here. There was a tent about a quarter mile down. The river is, I mean, it's down. Plus, I think that's an island. I'm gonna explore for a minute. I'll let you know what I'm gonna do. Good morning, everybody. How you doing this morning? It's Yukon here, and there's the river, the Kennabec River. It's very low. Stayed here last night and slept fairly well. It rained in the middle of the night, so I had to get up and put my tarp up right quick. See the river down there? Very, very low, and it didn't rain enough. Just I don't know, not even 1/8 of an inch, just a light coat. Sprinkled for a while, but I did get up and throw up the tarp. It's kind of sandy right in here. What that is the old road right there. I think I put that in that last video. And then the newer road is right on the other side. I don't know, it's another 100 feet or so. And it was fairly quiet. You know, once it got dark, traffic slowed down. And anyway, I'm fixing to head out. I'm only doing 16 miles. I think that's right. No more than, somewhere in that general area. 15, 16 miles. And I'm gonna stop up here at Sugarloaf and recharge for a while at the library. Maybe make a video or two there and resupply at that little grocery store there. Probably get some beer and whiskey. Head on up to the AT, set up, and a May 0 there tomorrow. It's supposed to chance of rain today, and I hope it does. We need it. So anyway, I'm gonna get packed up. I got crap everywhere as usual. Get packed up and I'll be heading west today. It's northwest, actually more west now, but I'm all over the place. Feels weird being back. I'm gonna do that little, I did it earlier, that, what do they call that? The narrow gauge rail trail is coming up in just a few miles. Anyway, I've blabbered enough. Hope everybody's having a good day out there. This is Yukon headed back to the Bigelows, baby. Hey, how's it going, everybody? Stopped here. There's a little fishing hole here, but I don't think there's anything at all in it. That rest area, that real cool rest area is right over there. This creek's so low, look at that, it's pretty much dry. Water's cooled up here. And the main river's right over there. I'll be on that little rail trail here in a few minutes. Hope everybody's having a good one out there as Yukon over now. Check it out, everybody. A little bit of history here. This is in the narrow gauge. See how it's 2 foot wide instead of the normal 4 foot 8 inch, almost 5 feet. That's logs going into Rangeley, and this is what I'm fixing to do. Goes through the mountains. And check this out. There's Route 27 in 1928. Look at that. There's snow and stuff on the ground too. He's in downtown Rangeley. That's his mobile home camper. Tells a little bit about it. So that was a big deal back then in this area. Moved people and material, you know, but a real small, cheaper to operate stuff. It's awesome. This is great. That little pool's like over there on the other side of the parking lot down. And the river's just right there. You can access it down at that end. Little path. Anyway, I'm gonna get moving, everybody. Hope you all having a good day. It's Yukon over now. Some really nice places here, folks. So I'm coming down to the I'm on it, the narrow gauge rail trail. This is where that narrow, look at that. Ain't that neat? Yes, I like that. Damn, they got right here on the river too. Boy, the river's way down. See, I just bicycle's like a Cadillac on this stuff. I've been on roads worse than this. Look at that. It's awesome. It's got to be really built tough down here now. A lot of snow, cold, wind. Long winters. I don't think I would like that. Maybe once. But I don't think, you know, year after year. I don't do good in Tennessee in the winter, let alone when it's going to be dark even longer. Anyway, blah, blah, blah. Hope everyone is having a great day. It's Yukon over now. Look here, everybody. Same place I went swimming about a month ago. Wow. The water is a little bit, it's just a little bit lower. Ain't a whole lot lower, but it is lower. Wow, yeah. Look at that. I cannot resist. I'm getting in. God, it feels too good out here now. Hope everybody's having a good one. Look at that. Would you just look at that? We'll cast out a line or two. I don't expect to catch anything, to be honest, but we'll see. What do you know? That's a little trout. I think. Yeah, that's a trout. It's a rainbow trout. Sure enough. He's freed himself. Put it back in. Enough of your flopping. That surprised me. Come here. Shocked him a little. There it goes. Huh. Yeah. So I was wrong. Yeah, I seen him come at it. Right in there before he got it. We'll try one more time here after this deep area. That surprised me. There's another hitting at it. Yeah, I seen another little one try to get it. So they are hitting. Huh. Oh well, I'm gonna get in. Wash my shirt. Get all the salt out of it. Anyway, look how pretty that water is. It's just irresistible. Hope everybody's having a good one. It's Yukon over now. All right, everybody. Ooh, these rocks are slick. Cold. Oh man. Oh, I cannot describe the feeling. Let's go under and see what's under here. Everybody ready? Pretty wild, ain't it? Oh, hell yeah. Golly, yeah. It's definitely down a little further. Not a lot, though. Gotta come down that same rock. Oh, wow. Oh. It feels so good. It's almost too cold. If it's just a little bit warmer, it'd be perfect. Or if it's just a little bit hotter outside. Yes, it'd be a little better. That water's chilly now. It is colder than the last time. It's these rocks. They're not getting as much sun, they're not getting as hot. They're cooling down more at night, and then the water's cooling them down now. Oh, ready to go under one more time? These rocks are so slip, I slip. I slipped again. I can't do both. There's a little beach, little pebble beach. Here's a place to just sit right here. But I can't hardly walk on these things. They're so slick. Gotta walk on the pebbles. One more time. Go on under. Look at the pebbles. Oh wow, it's so cool. The rocks are so slick. Can't hardly get out. Oh, it feels so damn good. Oh man. Golly. I hope everybody's having a good day out there. This feels amazing. This Yukon. How's it going, everybody? Here at the Kennabec Valley Public Library. Been here for like a couple hours easy, more than that probably, maybe 3 hours now. Been charging, got a resupply, charging on these outlets. It says it's closed today, but they must be some kind of daycare because people been in and out all day, and it freaked me out earlier. I had my bicycle right here, like the handlebars up here and plugged in back here. I'm over here eating a sandwich, messing with the bike, and all of a sudden this door opens. And I thought I'd done something wrong. I'm trying to close it. There's a woman trying to come out of it. It scared the crap out of me. But she didn't say anything. She seen what I was doing. But it freaked me out, the timing, you know what I mean? It was just as I'm standing there, of course. She comes walking out. That door goes open. I'm like, what in the world did I do? Anyway, I'm gonna get rolling. Been just uploaded a video, made another one, uploaded it, and headed up to the AT. It's been raining. Hopefully this rain will hold off when we get up there. Get set up. Either or, I don't care. We need the rain bad. Still sprinkling. This Yukon. Hoping everybody's having a good day out there.